Lazy, lazy cats. Lazy, lazy cats. Lazy cats. Hello, welcome back to Brought to You by Aries. Today we're doing a new video on Poe. Lazy, lazy cat. But that's only for right now. He's got catnip on his face right now, so wait till nighttime. He'll be drunk on catnip. There he is, laying down. Poe! Those evil eyes. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Poe! Dun-dun-dun-dun. Okay, he just slapped the side of the camera. What will we do? Now he's cleaning himself. Amazing! Let's check out Lazy Lazy Cat Una. Okay, she's lazier right now. I'll do a video on her next time. But, oh my gosh, Poe. I am so surprised at you! Well, say farewell to Brought to You by Aries. See you next time. Say bye to Poe.